Right, so we got the Blichmann beer gun, which has just arrived. I'm giving it a try. It's all been taken apart and sanitised as per the instructions, been soaking in Star San. Quite simple actually. Luckily I had this connector already. I bought the actual accessory pack with it, which is all these parts. So all these connector parts here, but luckily I had this connector. So what I've done is I've got a gas line to a John Guest push fit connector there, and screwing onto this, I can't remember what it is, a 3/8 or a 1/4 inch, whatever that is. And then it's connected to a Y piece actually inside my kegerator, and the other side of the gas line is going into the keg that I'm in the bottle from. And then the other line is just a simple standard ball disconnect into the back of the beer gun. Okay, so the way that you bottle then, I've got a sanitised bottle here. Take the cap off, put the nozzle all the way down, press this button here at the bottom, or in the middle I should say, for a couple of seconds to sanitise it, or sorry, to purge the bottle with CO2, get all the air out, and then press the other trigger. And we can maybe see now, I'm just holding it up, I wouldn't do it like this normally. Hopefully you can see on the camera. Now I've got beer flow. Deliberately I've got quite a low pressure setting on the regulator, because I don't want any frothing, any turbulence basically to cause frothing. I'm just going to put this down now. We'll keep that going now until the beer basically comes all the way to the top, which is not far off now. Okay, so I've released, it's important to release the trigger very quickly, you don't want any sort of turbulence. And then all I do is, with a couple of squirts on the top there of CO2 to purge anything that was in the top. And then we cap it. Okay, that was it. Rinse and repeat, as they say. There's not a lot else to tell you actually, it's really good. First time I've used it, it's just arrived today, but really pleased with that. So the significance now is that I've got beer that's been in the keg that I've forced carbonated, so I've already carbonated beer. I'm transferring it into the bottle with very little turbulence. I'm purging all the air out of it, so there's not going to be any spoilage of the beer. But now I've got perfectly carbonated beer in the bottle without any sediment at the end. So when you give it out to your friends who you're always sort of a little bit worried about whether or not they've got yeast in the bottom of the bottle, we all know that shouldn't really be a problem. But there will be no yeast in this because it's already been carbonated.